Loss Aversion explained why you hold bad investments. Would you rather lose 500 or miss out on 1000 profit? Most people hate losing more than they enjoy winning. That's why your old stock or mutual fund is still sitting in your account, like a guest who just won't leave. In behavioral finance, this is called loss aversion. Psychologists found the pain of losing money is almost twice as strong as the happiness of gaining it. This is why people don't sell bad investments. They think, if I sell now, I lock in the loss. So they keep holding, waiting for a comeback, just like sitting through a bad movie in the theater, only because you already bought the ticket. This is the sunk cost fallacy. Just because you've already put money in doesn't mean you should stay. Imagine taking an auto that goes the wrong way. Will you sit till the end? Of course not. Loss aversion also drives herd behavior. If everyone is rushing into the market, we jump in. If everyone is running out, we follow. Just like a sweet shop, if 10 people are lined up, you assume it must be good. Then comes mental accounting. We treat bonus money as extra and spend it freely. But when an investment falls, we suddenly get very emotional about it. So, what's the fix? Before investing, set exit rules. For example, if stock falls 15%, I'll sell. Stick to logic, not emotion. Remember, money doesn't have feelings. Only you do. Next time you're stuck with a bad investment, ask yourself, are you holding it for recovery or just because you hate losing? Don't let your brain's drama stop you from making smart decisions. If this helped you, don't be loss averse. Hit like, subscribe, and share, because knowledge shared is profit multiplied.